starting off in the car. Seatbelt check. Make everyone happy in the comments. Heading to the first location. This place actually emailed me saying they needed some more stuff, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Go get them some more stuff. We maybe are gonna hit up 5 locations today, probably 4. I wasn't even planning on working today, but they messaged me, so I was like, why not? Might as well hit up a couple other ones. They could sit a little longer, but since I'm already out, might as well. Gonna have to go to Sam's Club for sure, get some stuff. I'll see you guys either at Sam's Club or the first location. I spent $140 at Sam's Club, so now let's go out and make more than $140. I just pulled up to location 1. Alright, that one did pretty decent. That's normally a 2-week collection, but that was just there for 1 week, so that surprised me. Maybe this school will pick up after the new year. I don't know. If I were to guess, I'd say it did $40 to $50 after a week, which is pretty good. Now I'm heading to my second location. It is about 25 minutes away, and yeah, see you guys there. Alright, that one did a little bit better than the last one. Maybe 50 to 60 range. But let's go to location 3. Just leaving location 3. That one did pretty good too. Just so you guys know, these are all 1 week collections today, except for this last one I'm going to. This one has been about 3 weeks, so there should definitely be money in there. Other than that, these 3 locations that I just went to have done pretty good for 1 week. I'd probably say $50 to $60 range for each of them. And yeah, let's go to the last location. just like that, I am leaving the last location, location 4. Only went to 4 today. It could have went longer, but I only came because one of my schools emailed me, like I said earlier. I'm gonna count up the money off these 4 locations. Hopefully we made around $250 today. I got stuck at a red light. I just went through it. Oops. Hopefully we made around $250 because we spent $150 on product, leaving us with $100 profit, which wouldn't be too bad for a short day. I literally only worked like 3 hours today, so. Alright, so it's the next day, and we're going to count up the money and get you guys the total off of these 4 machines. I'm with Alyssa. Say hi.
Hi.
Looking cute. Alright, so here is the first location. Alright, location number 1 did $49.25 after 1 week. And this is normally a 2-week collection, so super excited about that. Location number 2 did $64.25 after 1 week. Alright, location number 3 did $75.65 after 1 week. And the last location, which was about a 3-week collection, I let this one sit a pretty long time. And obviously the dollar bill acceptor stopped taking dollars for some reason. But even with that, look at all these quarters. It made $66.60 after 3 weeks. So now we're going to add everything up and get you guys the totals for today off of 4 machines. Alright, so today for a grand total, we made $252.75 off of 4 machines, which I'm happy with. I spent $100 on product, and I spent $150 on product, made $250, $100 profit, and I only worked like 3 hours that day, so it's like what, 30 bucks an hour or something like that. But here's the money. Looking pretty good. Got a lot of quarters. And yeah, that's it for this one. As always, stay tuned for the next one. Thank you guys all for the support. And me and Alyssa, we'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Peace.